Hi, this is Kim Breeden at Minnesota Online High School. In this video, we'll learn two formulas to help you find missing angles in triangles. First, we're going to start with the interior angles. These are the angles inside triangles. So imagine that you know the size of two angles in a triangle. We're going to figure out how we can find the measure of that third angle. To do this, we'll use the triangle sum theorem. This says that the measures of the three interior angles in a triangle always add together to equal 180 degrees. So in this picture, x plus y plus z equals 180. This is a fairly easy formula to use. What you're going to do is you're going to add the two given angles together, and then you're going to subtract that from 180. So in this problem, we're trying to find angle K. I notice that J is 71 and L is 56. Remember, angle J plus angle L plus angle K is going to have to equal 180. So if J and L are known, let's start by adding those together. So angle J plus angle L is 127. So then to find angle K, we're going to subtract. So we're going to take 180 minus 127. And that tells us that angle K is going to be 53 degrees. Let's try another one. Here, angle S is 29 and angle T is 61. Together, all three angles need to equal 180. So we'll add our two angles together. Angle S plus angle T is going to equal 29 plus 61, or 90 degrees. Since the sum of all three angles must equal 180, angle R is going to be 180 degrees minus 90. So angle R is 90 degrees. Now let's look at exterior angles. An exterior angle is formed when we extend a line from each edge or each side. What we're going to do here is we're going to draw just one at each vertex. So if you make the sides longer and you're just drawing a ray so that it goes in one direction, you're going to end up with an exterior angle, one at each vertex. We can find the measure of that exterior angle by adding together the two interior angles it is not touching. A lot of books refer to these as the remote interior. So in this example, angle A is going to be equal to the sum of the two interior it is not touching. In that case, this would be angle D and angle C. So let's look for that missing angle, just the part marked in green. That angle is an exterior angle. It's outside of the triangle and it was made when that one side was extended. That is an exterior angle, and it's going to be equal to the sum of the two interior angles it is not touching. So we're going to add those other two angles. So adding those together, A would equal 50 plus 30, or in this case, 80 degrees. Let's do one more. We're going to find the value of Y. Y is that exterior. We're going to add together the two interior that it is not touching. So 40 plus 60 gives us a value of 100 for Y. So in summary, here are the two formulas you've learned. If you're looking for an interior angle, that sum is going to equal 180. So you're going to add together what you know and subtract it from 180. If you're looking for an exterior angle, that's going to equal to the sum of the two interior angles it is not touching. We'll practice this in the next two assignments.